Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konani. Today po I'm going to do a video reading, choose a number video reading naman po. And it has got something to do with pagbabalikan. So, may kailangan ka bang balikan or um, ayun nga, may kailangan ka bang balikan, may it be a situation or tao. Not necessarily, excess, pero pwede na rin, applicable na rin yan. And, ano pa ba? Pwede rin training, exam, pag-aaral, trabaho, anything na pwedeng balikan. Magiging ganun yung topic. Tapos, I have the dice here. Let's see kung ilang choices ang pagpipilian. Pero just a reminder, this is a general read and for fun only. So, kung hindi po nagre-resonate, please do not take the message. So, here it's 2 plus 1. So, 3 choices. So, choose a number between 1 to 3. And we'll start. So, it's going to be a 3-card read. Yung first card will be yes or no answer. If baliktad, if reversed, it's going to be a no. And yung nire-represent of card will be the reason why. And if it's upright, it's a yes. And then what you're going to do about it, yun yung pangalawang card. And the possible outcome, if you're going to do as advice, that'll be the third card. So, there. For personal readings, check the description box below. Nandyan po yung link ng Facebook page ko. And I would like to take this time to announce to everyone na hindi na po ako nagpo-provide. Starting today's Monday, right? So, starting bukas, April 9, I'm not going to provide any free trial readings na. Aside po kasi sa hindi ko na kaya yung volume ng nagpapahula. May mga iba rin kasing nandadaya sa page. Kahit tapos na sila ng trial reading, gagawa sila ng ibang profile, ibang tanong naman. So, nakakapagod rin na ite-trace mo every new inquiry kung legit ba or hindi. Kasi merong iba na parang kahapon lang ginawa yung profile para lang makapag-avail ng trial reading. Tapos, yung malalaman ko kasi yung pagkaka-type ng question, pagkaka-spell ng mga words, yung tono ng pananalita through text, nababantayan ko. Sorry, Scorpio muna ko eh. So, konting lang na nababantayan ko na ito, kunwari nagta-trial read tapos ititrace ko yung inbox sa page at saka yung inbox sa messenger, may reading na pala siya sa messenger. So, nakakalungkot na tayo pa tumutulong, tayo pa yung nagbibigay sana ng advice, nagpapagod, naglalaan ng time, tayo pa niloloko. So, from now on, sadly, I decided kasi unfair din dun sa nakapagbayad na mapaghihintay kasi may iniimbestigahan pa kung iba kung legit ba mabigyan ng trial reading or not. So, unfair din. Lalong-lalo na marami na po talaga akong napaghihintay. Lalo pat hindi pa nakikisama ang signal. So, yun, hindi na ako magpo-provide ng trial reading starting tomorrow. And, ang magiging trial reading nyo na lang po is itong mga video readings ko. Kung nagre-resonate sa inyo, then maybe I'm worthy of, of a try, perhaps. Tapos, yung, yung mga pinopost kong, forecasts sa page ko rin, yung nakatype, kasi meron, meron daw mga free data, hindi nakakapag-YouTube. So, yung mga nakapost na lang na forecast. And I promise if may time, hahabaan ko yung forecast para maiba naman. May iba kasi na kahit anong basa ko parang nagre-reflect lang. Kung napapansin nyo, may forecast po akong mahaba, may forecast din akong maikli lang, parang isang sentence lang. Pero I'll do my best. Kung ano lang talaga yung binibigyan ng baraha. Kasi pag forecast, 3 cards rin lang yun eh. So, there. Ano pa ba? I guess that'll be all. Tama ng satsat. Let's start. Kay number 1. For the people who chose number 1, sandali, pipili lang ako. Gusto ko number 2. Okay. For the people who chose number 1, may kailangan ka bang balikan? May kailangan bang balikan si number 1? Ano, bakit, anong dapat gawin? If meron. May dapat bang balikan si number 1? 3 shuffles ha. So, 1. Ayun, tumalon. First card. May kailangan ka bang balikan? No, wala. Wala kang dapat balikan. Kung tao to, there's a possibility na hindi siya karapat-dapat balikan kasi manloloko siya, manggagancho. Or kung situation to na gusto mong balikan, kung dapat mo bang balikan, hindi kasi hindi kaya ng budget mo. Or merong something about your finances, your tangible na kailangan for whatever it is na naisipan mong balikan, na hindi mo kayang i-provide or hindi ka sure na maglalast if mayroong magpo-provide. So, it's a no. So, let's see what you need to do about it. Try something else. The full card. Try something else. Baka itong gusto mong balikan is hindi na worthy ng time mo. Meron pang something na bago na hindi mo pa natatry na baka magiging beneficial sa future mo. And apat yung tumilapo na cards. The third card, for some reason, I would like it to clarify this full card. So, kung ano tong full card, ano tong dapat mong itry na bago, the third card will be the clue. And that will be 2 of Swords. So, mukhang kalaban to nitong gusto mong balikan. So, 2 of Cards is yung pagdadalawang isip. So, maybe you're weighing, babalikan mo ba to o merong something or someone new na paparating na gusto mong sugalan. So, kung tao to, maybe this is an ex or an ex-friend, a relative na dati mong close tapos gusto mong maka-close ulit. Anyone na may connection ka dati na gusto mong balikan. Pero the cards are indicating na maybe he or she is not worth it. Maybe naloko ka na dati pero namimiss mo lang. So, magpapaloko ka ulit. So, parang tama lang. Anyway, yun nga, hindi siya worth it. Pero merong, panibagong, maybe nasa circle mo na nare-remind ka nito, kung sino man to, na, parang I was about to say naglilibog. What's naglibog gani ma? Confused ba? Tagalog. Ha? Ha? Sa Tagalog? Oo. Nalilito, sorry. Ayun, nalilito. Pasensya, Bisaya. Naglibog man gud sa mua. Pasensya. So yun, baka nalilito ka kung gusto mong balikan tong ex, may it be relationship, friendship, relative na dating ka-close. Or gusto mong sumugal dito sa panibago mong kakilala na parang kaugali lang nitong dati mong ka-close. Kung situation, there's a possibility na maybe gusto kang balikang training, exam, business, work, kurso na hindi kaya ng budget. Pero merong isang mas convenient na option na mas magandang sugalan. Yung parang kaya ng finances mo, kaya ng resources mo, kaya ng utak mo, kaya naisipan mo ano. So kung ano man tong kalaban nitong dating connection or dating situation gusto mong balikan, na parang kino-compare mo yung dati sa ngayon, um, mas magandang sugalan daw yung bago, yung ngayon, na option versus dun sa dati. Possible outcome if you're going to do is advice, 10 of swords. So, ano to, masisettle mo isang betrayal. May katraidoran na parang makaka-get over ka. Or parang, siguro kung hindi mo nababalikan kasi nga, di ba, unworthy ng affection or time or effort mo to. Ito, pagka Nine of Pentacles reversed, ito yung, kasi pag Nine of Pentacles upright, ano yan eh, mabagal mag-decide yan kasi hindi niya alam kung, ay ina-analyze pa niya lahat ng ano, ng angulo ng situation bago niya pasukin. Kasi ayaw niyang mapahiya, ayaw niyang masira reputation niya. Ito, Knight of Pentacles reversed, ito yung dali, bilisan mo, parang ganun, pasukin natin to, invest tayo dito, ganyan. Tapos hindi naman pala na-analyze yung pros and cons ng situation. Ang ending, napapahiya, tapos past is past na yung approach sa situation. In a way, parang kung hindi mo hindi mo kabisado yung ugali niya, in a way, masasabi mong manloloko, manggagancho. So, in this case, maybe, if hindi mo nababalikan to, merong betrayal or pagtatraidor na parang madi-disclose. Siguro naghihintay rin to na na balikan mo rin siya para may gawin siyang hindi maganda. Pero I would like to clarify this Ten of Swords. Bakit andito si Ten of Swords? Pero looking at all of the cards, parang sinasuggest ng cards na mag-try ka na lang ng iba kaysa maloko ka ulit. Ayun. Tumalon. Then, Two Pentacles, reverse. O yun nga, parang, yung hindi na-meet yung expectation mo. Kasi, parang, ikaw lang yung nag-invest, especially may sentiments na kasama yung trust na binigay mo along with the connection dito. May it be a situation or not. So, yun nga, madi-disclose. Kaya huwag kang susugal. Two of Pentacles is a warning about gambling. Yung hindi mo na i-weigh yung pros and cons sa situation, yung positive, negative na effect sa'yo ng isang tao. So, yes, you have to try something new. Have a connection with someone new. Lalong-lalo na kung pagdating sa bagong bagay na yun, sure ka na kaya mo. O sure ka na matatapos mo, sure ka na makakapag-commit ka dun. Yun. So, there. That's for you, number 1. Now, let's see for number 2. Kung may dapat bang balikan si number 2. Ako naisip balikan. Magbabalikan ko. Gusto kong balikan, please. Hindi tao, hindi sitwasyon, please. So, let's see. May dapat bang balikan si number 2? May dapat bang balikan si number 2? May dapat bang balikan si number 2? Shuffle 1. Shuffle 2. Shuffle 3. Tahimik ka. Ayaw walang tumilapon na card. Okay. May kailangan bang balikan? Uy, yes. Yes, babalik. Yes, and ang indication nito is pwedeng someone na malaki ang naitulong sa'yo, naituro sa'yo. Yung place na yun, marami akong natutunan dun. Pwede ring intuition mo, na parang time na nabalikan mo kung sino man yun or kung ano man yun o kung saan man yun. Follow your intuition, parang yung kutob mo na parang time na look back, bumalik doon, magpakita ulit. So maybe this is the time na to go back. You'll know through your intuition, and there's a possibility na kung tao to, this is someone older or someone na old soul, maraming naituro sa'yo, or pwede rin marami kang naituro sa kanya. Yung parang high priestess ka sa kanya, or pwede rin siyang high priestess sa'yo. Yung hindi siya yung necessarily academically matalino, pero matalino siya, period. Parang ang dami niyang alam, pero alam niya kung kailan niya gagamitin, kailan niya sasabihin, kailan niya i-connect sa situation na makakabuti sa lahat. Ito rin yung yung mapagtimpe, pasensyosa, na narinig ko yon, na nakita ko yon, na witness ko yon, pero parang ganun. Tapos pag kailangan nang i-disclose sa isang sa isang situation, sa isang tao, then doon na magagamit yung info. Pwede ring parang bigla mo lang, kung tao to, pwede tong bigla mo lang naalala. Yung parang hindi mo siya naiisip ng ilang taon, ng ilang buwan. Then all of a sudden, kumusta na kaya yun? Yung ganun. Tapos kung situation to has got something to do with schools, perhaps. Kasi teaching and learning ang high priestess eh. Pwede ring manghuhula for some reason. Pumasok sa kokote ko. May kailangan, baka gusto mong bumalik sa kinonsulta mo dati. So, yes, it's a yes kung iniisip mo yon. And, ano pa ba? Kung place of learning, school, or yung parang at home yung intuition mo, parang walang blockages yung intuition mo pag dumating ka dun sa place na yon. So, there. It's a yes. And what you need to do about it, number 2, 4 of Wands. So, parang, kung babalikan mo yun, may it be tao, in my case, place, situation, there's something about a home na parang masasettle mo. Parang, uh, home life na magulo. Sabagay, magulo din. Anyway, sorry, iniisip ko yung connection nito dun sa gusto kong balikan. Anyway, 4 of Wands reversed, home life na magulo, sirang bahay, pwedeng, yung walang ka-charm na pamamahay, yung parang gusto mong umuwi pero parang uuwi ka lang kasi kailangan mong magbihis, maligo, kumain. Pero as much as possible, ayaw mong magstay. I would like to pull up a clarifier for this. Bakit advice yung 4 of Wands? Or maybe this person is vital sa home life mo. Kung situation siya, maybe may kailangan kang balikan doon to settle home problem, domestic problem. Or for some reason, pumasok sa isip ka na yung social worker. Maybe you would like to go doing social work. Teach, heal people, and be there for people na kailangan ng wisdom mo. Kasi wala silang proper na home life, wala silang proper na domestic upbringing. But I would like still I would like to pull up a clarifier for Four of Wands, please. Why is the Four of Wands here for number 2? Okay. Ito naka-face down. Nine of Wands reversed. Okay, I'll take that na lang. Pinakita ko na eh. So, Six of Swords reversed. So, there's something about home life na na-disappoint ka. Tapos, may nawala sa'yo. Kaya kailangan mong balikan yun. So, maybe you need to go to this High Priestess. Pwedeng teacher. Pwedeng mentor. Pwedeng tinuruan mo. Ikaw yung mentor. Or pwede ring place na at home yung intuition mo. Or pwedeng place na marami kang natututunan. Kasi, there is something about this person or this place na parang yun na lang yung missing puzzle in order for you to address some sort of a family issue or domestic problem. Maybe dati nagkaroon ng problema sa kaya kailangan yung umalis. Tapos, parang your intuition is telling you to go back. Kasi may malalaman ka, may madidiscover ka. Yes, the High Priestess is about discovery. So, may madidiscover ka na pwedeng ikagalit mo. Good thing is, High Priestess is upright. Pagka ganito, yan eh. Yung may natuklasang nakakainis, nagkakagalit, mangungonfront agad. Good thing is upright yung High Priestess. So, parang, okay. Galit ako, naiinis ako, natuklasan kung ganun pala nangyari. And then, yung parang gradually, kalma muna. Tsaka na ako magde-decide kapag hindi na ako galit, hindi na tumataas ang kilay ko. Parang ganun. So, in this case, you need to go back to find out something about a family problem, to find out some issues within domestic life, na posibleng merong importanteng nawala within that house or merong importanteng relationship na nasira. Kaya merong plans na disappoint, na cancel, na hindi natuloy altogether. O parang na-delay. So, there. Okay. Applicable ba sa akin? Parang. Okay, so let's see if you're going to do as advice, what is the possible outcome? Ace of Swords. So, maa-address na yung hindi klaro sa'yo dati. There must be something na hindi dinisclose sa'yo dati na, hindi dinisclose sa'yo dati na parang magiging klaro na sa'yo. If you go back to that person, to that place, or to that situation, or look back, parang i-analyze mo ulit. Okay. Bottom of the card, Four of Pentacles reversed. So, there must be some sort of an issue na hanggang ngayon hindi mo pa rin nale-let go. Finally, male-let go mo na rin. Especially if it's about money or if it's about a property. So, there. That's for you, number 2. Let's proceed to number 3. Hindi ako nag-timestamps. Pasensya. Gutom ang lola nyo. Kaya nakakalimutan yung dapat gawin. Alam nyo naman, kahit kakakain nyo pa, basta naligo kayo ng dagat, nag-swimming, inaantokin kayo, then next thing you know, gutom. So, if only mayroong shakies dito. Yung shakies na mushroom soup. Tapos yung yung salad na may raspberry vinaigrette. tsaka penne. Tapos yung cucumber lemon cooler nila. No? Nagpapantasya na. Ewan ko sa Cagayan, may Shakey's ba sa Cagayan? Tagal ko na hindi nakapunta ng Cagayan de Oro. Ano pa? So, for number 3, may dapat ka bang balikan? Number 3, may dapat ka bang balikan? Number 3. Ayun. Dapat kang balikan, yes. About money. Money. All the bitches need is money. I got bands in the cup. For some reason, dalawa silang card pero parang gusto ko sila sa first placement. May kailangan kang balikan about money na kailangan mong isettle. So, this must be divorce or separation na kailangan i-settle, conjugal properties, all that. A legal issue na kailangan kang bayaran, danyos. So, babalikan mo yun. Kung sino yung, may utang rin sa'yo, pwede. Or pwede ring someone na inutangan mo, babalikan mo, babayaran mo. Wala. Anyway, those are the possibilities. Pwede ring taong, maganda pakikitungo sa'yo, gusto mong rewardan, malaki na itulong sa'yo dati, gusto mong bigyan ng kung anong gift. So, yun. What you need to do about it is, ayaw, walang tumatanong na card. Tahimik ang card ko ngayon. Kaka-cleanse ko lang kasi. See there, the Chariot. Go for it. Whatever decision you've made about this legal issue, about this justice thing na kailangang i-balance, kailangang i-settle, especially about money. Ito rin pwede itong pinagpaguran mo, hindi mo pa nakukuha yung dapat sa'yo, kaya babalikan mo. So, go for it. If it needs travel, then go for it. And this is also, for some reason, an indication na kailangan mong bumili ng kotse or any sort of vehicle na parang nakasalalay sa perang to. Pwede ring someone na papapunta sa'yo na merong business about legal issue and money na kailangan yung isettle. So, ano mang mapagdesisyonan mo about this justice card, about this justice about money and hard work na probably hindi mo nakuha dati yung dapat, yung deserve mong pay or you deserve mong recognition, then go for it. Aim for it. And if you're going to do just that, magiging possible outcome is Hermit card. So, ito yung parang pinagpe-pray mo na siya dati na makuha mo. So, parang after mong makuha to, if you're going to go for it and get the goal, the aim, you need to pray as well. Parang, paano ka magpo-proceed. Pag nakuha mo na, parang may kulang pa ba? May ikinasasaya ko ba tong nakuha ko? Katatahimik mo ng kaluluwa ko yung ginawa ko. But in some case, mukhang most of you, kayo yung dinaya. Kasi kayo yung may babalikan na na kailangan magkaroon ng hustisya. Pero, if you are the one na may ginawang, kabulastugan or unfair na tactic to get money from someone, tapos ngayon babalikan mo to pay for it, parang, na lang, parang to be fair na lang, babalikan mo na lang. Kasi maybe kailangan rin, kasi nandyan ang batas, sinisingil ka na. So, then just, parang overall, be fair. Do what you must. Kung may kasalanan ka, pay for it. Kung ikaw tong inagrabyado, then encourage yourself to get what you really deserve, and the possible outcome is the Hermit card. So parang anong natutunan ko doon? So kung ikaw yung nanloko, are you sorry for yourself? Or are you sorry for the person na niloko mo? Kung ikaw naman tong naloko, what now? Paano ko magpo-proceed? Masaya ba ako nakuha ko na? So yun, parang soul search ang magiging ending. So there, that's for you. Number 3. And if you like that video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for any suggestions po sa mga topics na pareho nito, yung mga pick a card readings, please comment down below. And if you would like to have a personal reading, that'll be Tarot by Kakao. That's my Facebook page. And you can see the link at the description box below as well. And again, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kakao. And if you're a subscriber, maraming salamat po. And there, that'll be all. And I will proceed now to Gemini, April 2019 readings. And there, bye. Have a nice one.